Hey fellow crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to buy Bitcoin on Gemini, one of the most trusted and regulated cryptocurrency exchanges out there. If you're ready to join the Bitcoin revolution, let's dive right in. The first step is to create your account on Gemini. Head over to Gemini.com and click on sign up to get started. Here you will select your account type, either individual or business. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, create a strong password, and agree to the terms of service. Verify your email address and proceed to the next step. After you have verified your identity and completed the KYC process, you'll be redirected to the Gemini dashboard. Security is vital in the crypto world. Go to Account, Settings, Security, and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an extra layer of protection on your account. You can use an authenticator app or receive codes via SMS. Before you can buy Bitcoin, you need to deposit funds into your Gemini account. Go to Transfer Funds and select Deposit Cash. You can also send crypto if you wish to deposit in crypto. Here you will select your currency. In this case, it'll be US dollar. And then select your preferred deposit method, such as bank transfer or wire. Follow the instructions to fund your account. Once your account is funded, click on the Market tab in the top navigation bar to head to the trading section. In the trading section, find Bitcoin BTC from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Click on it to proceed with the purchase. Gemini offers two order types, market orders and limit orders. A market order will purchase Bitcoin at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy Bitcoin. For beginners, a market order is recommended. Specify the frequency and amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can enter the amount in Bitcoin or your local currency. Gemini will calculate the equivalent amount based on the current market price. Double check all the details of your order, including the amount of Bitcoin and the total cost. Once you're satisfied, click on Review Order and then Buy to confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you've successfully bought Bitcoin on Gemini. Your purchased Bitcoin will be credited to your Gemini account and portfolio. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to buy Bitcoin on Gemini. We hope this tutorial has empowered you to confidently make your first Bitcoin purchase on this reputable exchange. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content on cryptocurrencies and trading. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading on Gemini.